In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Supabase to n8n. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So first go to your workflow where you want to connect your Supabase, then click on this plus icon and search for Supabase. Then click on it, and from here you can choose the action. So let's say if I want to create a row, I'm gonna choose it. And from here you need to click on select credential, click on it, and then create new credential. From here you need to paste your host URL and your service role secret. So how you can get this, go to Supabase and open the project which you want to connect. So I'm going to choose this one. And from here on the left side, click on project settings. Then from here, click on Data API. And this is your URL, so copy this one and paste it in the host like this. And then we need to find service role secret. And just click on this section under the Data API, this API keys. Click on this. And from here, this is your service role secret key. So click on this reveal button. This will reveal your key, and just copy it and paste it here and then click save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. Now you can close it. Then from here you can choose resource. So for example, row or custom API call. I'm going to choose row and then choose operation. So you can choose from those operations. So create. You can choose your table name. So I'm going to choose my table, and that's it. Now you can close it and you can click on execute workflow. And as you can see, workflow executed successfully. So this is how you can connect your Supabase to n8n. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.